Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Apple ID password. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap your name or Apple ID profile. Next, select Password and Security. Now, tap on Change Password. If your device has a passcode, enter it to continue. You will then see the option to type in a new password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, includes numbers, and is strong enough for security.